Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use index function in your Google Sheets. So I have two sets of dump here. One is name and sales, and then I have fruits and sales. Let's see how it works. So basically it returns to the value of a particular row and column. Let's write the formula and find it out how it works. Index, and then select the range, comma. So I'm looking for second row details and second column because I only have two columns. If you hit enter, it goes to the value of Sita, which is 7,000. Let's say if you added index, you selected range from the header. Okay, now you cannot type 2 to get these details of Sita because Sita is now the third row because we have included the header. So 3 and the second column in the parenthesis, hit enter. So you'll get the details of Sita. So what if you have a huge dump of fruits and you want only particular fruits of details? So you can get these details by using index and match function. So I'm going to write index and then select the range. Okay. And now match. So I'm looking for apple fruit details over here. I'm going to select the range where apple is and then comma 0 and the parenthesis. Let's see. So I'm getting the details of apple, which is 500. Let's say if you want to write banana, you'll get the detail. But the thing is, when you're manually typing these names, it may be typo error will happen. So to avoid this, what we can do is we can add little drop down here. So I'll tell you how to add drop down. I'm going to insert drop down. Now, instead of selecting the drop down, I'm going to select from the range. I'm going to give the range of these fruits, entire fruit range. Click OK. Now the drop down is selected, right? So instead of writing banana, I'm going to select this range. Okay, this range. Oops. So let me write down the formula again from the match. So I'm going to looking for this one, and then the range is here. Okay, comma, exact match. Okay, and down. Now it is showing as NA because I did not select anything. Let me write down a couple of name. Okay, first let me select the fruit. If I select apple, you can see 500. If I select banana, it's giving me 300, 800. So based on your drop down, it gives you the details. Let's say you have added a couple of more fruits to uh, so to get all the fruits which are going to be added in the future, so we're going to increase our range. So it is from 804 to 808. I'm going to make this as 830. So it will get more, it will be covering more range. So let's say I have added kiwi, watermelon, grapes. Now you don't have to add in the drop down because it is by default is going to be added because I gave the range here. So if I'm going to select kiwi, so it will give me the range. It will give me the details because here it is empty. So kiwi is quite expensive. I'm going to give 2000, and then watermelon is quite cheap. So I'm going to give 200 and then 800. So this is the detail. So once I'm going to select, let's say any fruit, let's select watermelon. Okay, here also the range is till papaya, so I have to increase my range till 30. Now if I hit enter, should be giving the details. Increase the range. Now you see, when I select watermelon, it is giving me the watermelon detail. If I select grapes, it's giving me the grapes detail. So this is how you can get automatically without getting typo error. From the drop down you can select and get the detail. So if you have large dump, you can do these automation. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.